Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalpana Singh and I am making videos related to cabin crew interviews and all about cabin crew. So without wasting time, let's come to the video. So yesterday I made a video in which I shared two questions, that why you wanted to be cabin crew and tell me about yourself. So similarly today also we are going to share two questions. So the first question is why you wanted to be the cabin crew of Indigo Airline and working responsibility of a cabin crew. So we will share both this question. So let's come to the first question, that why you wanted to be the cabin crew in Indigo Airline, because that is the most random question which is asked by the cabin interview. So I'm sure that they will surely ask you this question in upcoming interview. So let's prepare this answer together. So I have written some points and through which I am going to answer this question, and that will help you all. So without wasting time, let's come to the video. So the first point is that I wanted to be the part of Indigo Airline because I have multiple reasons for that. I believe that this is the only company which is hiring in this pandemic, and that's going to be a very good opportunity for us. And they already hired a lot of candidates, and they are giving opportunity to girls candidate a lot. They're empowering women, which I like a lot in this company, and therefore I also wanted to be the part of this company. Indigo is awarded for 10 consecutive years by Skytrax award, which is the best award in airline company. So that's going to be a very good part. And the second point which you can add, that is Indigo is best known for its punctuality, and I really wanted to be the part of the company which is known for its punctuality, because I am also a very punctual person and I value times a lot, and I believe that if I will get this opportunity, I will definitely fit in this job. And the second points which you can add, the third point which you can add, that Indigo is also best known for this training which they give to their candidates and which they give to their employee, because iFly is one of the best academy and it is best known for its training. So I believe I also wanted to be the part of iFly Academy, and I also wanted to learn that training which is given to the cabin crew and to the employee, those who are going to work in Indigo. So that because they provide a standard training to their employee, and through which they perform very well. They have a very high standard and very experienced faculty through which they learn and through which they give training to the cabin crews. And I also want to learn that training, and I also wanted to perform in Indigo Airlines. And the last point which you can add in your that it is one of the most growing company, and it's one of the best airline company, and I believe that my skills are matching to this company, and it provide a very good friendly environment to the employee. And I also like to work in a friendly environment where we will get chance to learn a lot of things, and where we can able to share our experience. I'm a person, like you can also share that I'm a very good team worker, and I can behave very good with my senior and as well with my junior. So I believe that with my team working skill, I can grow this company, and I can also participate in the growth and development of company. And my goal and this company, we both will work on the same goal, and we will achieve the position, we will achieve the standard which we wanted to be achieve. So that's all about from my side for this question. And also you can add some additional information if you wanted to be, because as per my information I have added this answer, like I have given you this points through which you can answer this question. And also, like, if you have any points, you can also share with me on Instagram ID, and also you can share me on the comment section. So let's come at the second question, which is the work responsibility of a cabin crew. So let's start with this answer. So it's very important that you are going for cabin crew interview, so you must aware about the basic work responsibility of a cabin crew. So I'm not going to give this answer in very advanced level, and I'm not going to give you some technical words and technical responsibility of a cabin crew. I'm going to share only the basic responsibility which is interviewers looking for. Because why they are asking this question, they just want to know that we are aware about the working responsibility of a cabin crew or not, the things for which we are applying we have information about or not. So we must have a good knowledge about that, at least we have the basic knowledge for this answer. So let's start with the answer. So first point, you can tell them that a cabin crew is a brand ambassador of particular airline, because that is the only person who are representing their a company, because a cabin crew stand in front of passenger for 1.5 year or for 3 years. So they are the person who interact with passenger maximum. So it's very important that they look presentable, they must follow the grooming standard of the particular airline, and also they have a very warm and very approachable person. They provide a good hospitality to our passengers so that they will feel good, and they really they are looking for these all things. Because whenever we travel, we always talk about the cabin crew. Yes, that cabin crew was very good, she helped me a lot, and she really understand my situation, she given me assistance in that way. So similarly, we also have to understand the particular person's situation, and we have to give them assistance in that way. So you can add that I'm very approachable, I'm very resourceful person, I can understand people and I can give them assistance as per their requirement. I have very effective communication skill through which I can communicate to passengers, and I can know their problems, and I can assist them in the way they wanted to. So you can add this thing. The second point which I would like to tell you, that a cabin crew should be physically and mentally fit, because they have to do a lot of physical work, and as well they have to do the mental work as well. Because in physical, like, they are dealing with a lot of passengers on board, and they will ask a lot of inquiries. So a cabin crew should be quick decision maker and proactive, so they can deal with all kind of emergency situation on point of time. So they have a open mind, they do not have, no matter that what is the things going in behind, but at least in front of passengers they have to smile every time, and they should be patient. They have that much strength, and they have that much proactiveness, so that they can give answer to all the queries of the passengers, and they can be quick decision maker, and they can make decision at that point of time and at that point of emergency situation. So the third point which I would like to share with you, the working responsibility of a cabin crew is also to be they should be confident. That confidence should be visible on their face, that the way, because they should be able to face 154 passengers on board. You can imagine that there are only 4 cabin crew and 154 passengers on board. So it should be it's very important to be confident, because when they announce, their voice should be confident, and that should look on your face that yes, they are confident, so that they can deal with all kind of passengers together. Because on aircraft, people come from different place, different origin, they have different language. So we must be that much confident and that much ready to face that all passengers on board. And the fifth point, which is the last and final point, which I would like to tell you, that a cabin crew have qualities, which is a cabin crew should be the training which is given to a cabin crew, that should be proper. She learned all the things very nicely, and that should be perfect. They have knowledge about all this thing, and they are always ready to be 1 minute, because I forgot the last point which I'm just watching. I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry, guys. Actually, it's very hard to remember all the points which is mentioned, so therefore I'm just looking in the yes. So the last and final point which I would like to share with you, that is a cabin crew should be responsible, because they have to take responsibility of 154 passengers on board. And it might possible that there are kids, maybe there are some adult, very aged person. So a cabin crew should take care of all the people, and they can provide assistance to as them. Because if a small child is traveling alone, so for that we have to give them special assistance. If a person who is in bad mood, and who is not who is sad, something happened in the past, or maybe something happened in his home and he just came, so for that also we should aware about, we can read the person face, we can understand their needs, we have that much that much skill to understand their need and to understand the situation, and then help them in that way. A cabin crew is also responsible to create a wow moment for for people. because maybe like we have to be we have to be happy. We have to carry that smile on our face every time. So I always suggest you that whenever you go for interview, no matter that how much nervous and how much hesitated you are, you must carry that smile on your face and that confidence on your face, because that will surely help you to crack the cabin crew interviews, and you can do it all. Bye everyone, take care. And if you want to like answer any question, or if you have some more points, you can text me. And please participate guys, I really get motivated by this all your support, and support me. Thank you everyone. Bye bye and take care.